Wat Daeng Thammachat is an ancient Buddhist monastery located in the Saima sub-district of Non Thaburi, Thailand, on the right bank of the Chao Phraya River, dating back to the Ayu period, around 1877. The temple is most famous for its massive white Buddha statue in a meditation pose, sheltered by a seven-headed Naga serpent. Key features and attractions: giant Naga protector, Buddha, completed in 2018. This 20-meter statue faces the river and is uniquely positioned to be viewed from the water. Local museum, the Wat Daeng Cultural Heritage Conservation and Restoration Center, houses a collection of antique items and religious artifacts for public study. Architecture: the temple grounds include an Ubosat ordination hall, measuring 11 by 21 meters, a magnificent pagoda, and traditional wooden monks' residences. Education and community: the temple hosts a Buddhist monastic school established in 1947, a public school, and a local health center. Visitor information. Location: 88 Sai Ma, Muang Non Thaburi District, Non Thaburi, 11,000. Hours: open daily from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. Best view: the most impressive view of the giant Buddha statue is from the Chao Phraya River in the morning, or from the opposite bank, near the Ministry of Commerce. Accessibility: the site features a wheelchair-accessible entrance, parking lot, and restrooms. How to get there? By land. Access can be difficult due to narrow streets. It is located north of Bangkok, in the Sai Ma area. By water, you can reach the temple via a private shuttle boat from the opposite pier. Thanks for watching. See you next time. God bless you.